Where's Eleanor?
It's a parade of those Walking Dead.
Good morning! Let's go! Let's go in the living room. Let's see if Santa's brought you anything.
Oh, yeah, kitty cat.
What did Santa bring you?
And my cousin Dolly.
Go get her!
And my cousin Dolly.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness.
Is that what Santa brought you?
Cousin Dolly.
Isn't she pretty?
Yeah.
Yay, my stocking.
Oh my cousin Dolly. I got a puzzle.
Isn't she so pretty?
Yeah, what?
Oh my goodness.
Open up your stocking.
Eleanor, did Santa eat all the cookies?
Oh my goodness. And there's a note.
Did he write you a letter?
Yeah.
Do you want to hear it? This is Santa. He wrote, "Dear Eleanor, thank you for the cookie and carrots. The reindeer love them." You want to open up? You want to open up your stocking?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.